Cole County commissioners have turned down the sheriff's request for additional money. We first told you last week about Sheriff White's request for money to hire new staff and grant pay raises. ABC 17's Joe McLean has been following this story. He's joining us live from Jefferson City. Joe, you're told the decision was not taken lightly.
It wasn't, Jillian. Commissioners tell me they understand the importance of public safety, but they say they also have to keep track of the bottom line. They say a comprehensive look at all factors helps them decide where the county's money will go.
We tend to be very frugal here. We try to be good stewards of the funds that we've collected.
Cole County officials voted 2-1 today that hiring extra sheriff's department staff was just not in the books.
It's not as cheap as it looks. You know, we look at what it will add to the budget.
Sheriff White had asked the commission for enough extra funds to hire another investigator and a couple jail workers, which he says is only the minimum of what he needs.
The studies that were done before we actually opened showed that we should have 8 more people than we've got. We've managed, but things are increasing. It really ties into our overtime.
With the increase of online scams and threats, White says there's more work to be done than ever.
As you look at the world, you can tell that there's more crime. There's more crime that we investigate. So much of it is cybercrime related, which is intensive, which involves all of our investigative staff, and we just simply need more help.
And commissioners agree, even though they say their hands are financially tied.
I think law enforcement is very, very important. I think crime is not going to get, shrink. It's just going to get worse and worse and worse. So I still want to support, law enforcement.
Now, the county's Emergency Management Service Department also asked the commission for extra funds to be able to hire more workers. That request was turned down as well. Commissioners tell me, though, they expect to revisit that issue as well as the one from the Sheriff's Department after next year's budget is approved. Reporting live in the Jefferson City newsroom, Joe McLean, ABC 17 News.
Thanks, Joe. And the Cole County Commission has to approve a budget plan by January 10th.